Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today's Tuesday, November 2nd, 2021. It is 12:54 and 52 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, gestational diabetes. So let's hop to it here. The 5-to-2 diet, a good choice for gestational diabetes. Date November 1st, 2021. Source, University of South Australia. Weight loss after gestational diabetes can prevent the onset of type 2 diabetes. Yet finding the most effective way to lose weight and keep it off can be a challenge, especially for mothers with a new baby. Now, new research suggests that the popular 5-to-2 or intermittent fasting diet is just as effective as a conventional energy restricting diet, enabling women greater choice and flexibility when it comes to weight loss. The 5-to-2 diet allows 5 days of normal eating each week, while substantially restricting calories over 2 days a week, as opposed to a typical diet that requires moderate energy restrictions daily. Globally, 1 in 5 pregnancies are affected by gestational diabetes, with these women having a tenfold risk of developing type 2 diabetes later in life. Women who have had gestational diabetes and are also overweight are at an even higher risk. Type 2 diabetes has lifelong consequences and can lead to other chronic diseases, such as heart disease and cancer. The researchers say the finding will be greatly welcomed by women looking to lose weight. Gestational diabetes is the fastest growing type of diabetes in Australia, affecting 15% of pregnancies. Healthy eating and regular physical activity are recommended to manage gestational diabetes, with continuous energy restriction diets, or diets that cut calories by 25 to 30%, being the most common strategy for weight loss and diabetes prevention. The trouble is, however, that new moms often put themselves last. They are struggling with fatigue and juggling family responsibilities. So when it comes to weight loss, many find it hard to stick to a low-calorie diet. The 5-to-2 diet may provide a less overwhelming option, as it only cuts calories over 2 days. Some women may find it easier to adopt and adhere to as opposed to a consistently low-calorie diet, requiring constant management. The research shows that the 5-to-2 diet is just as effective as achieving weight loss as a continuous energy-restricted diet in women who have had gestational diabetes, which is great, because it provides women with greater choice and control. And of course, women should seek advice from a health professional before commencing this type of diet to make sure that it is suitable for them. The research investigated the effects of both the 5-to-2 diet, 5 days of normal eating, and 2 days of 500 calories, and a continuous energy restricted diet, 1,500 calories per day, on weight loss and diabetes, risk markers in women with previous diagnosis of gestational diabetes. Both diets restricted energy by approximately 25% each week. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.